Muffin is going for a walk today. He's a little late today. We are taking him for a walk. How does he feel? We'll show you. Muffin the Great. This is Muffin, a Shih Tzu dog. That is really cute pie. Come here. Come here. Muffin नहीं आएगा. ये दे जो बढ़िया Muffin ये तेरा वीडियो Muffin, we are making a video. Hey Muffin, come here. ये दे मफिन को देना बेटा मफिन को इसको देना नहीं दे वो अपनी बॉल से क्या कर रहा है खा मफिन नो नो मफिन no come here. Get it. Here you go. Bus. Come here. Come here, Muffin. बहुत भाग रहे आज. This is how he runs. Really fast. The weather is really nice. The wind is blowing. You can see the leaves. Here is the doggy who likes to play and he's having fun today. His name is Muffin the Great. Please subscribe his channel. His name is Muffin, so please subscribe his channel. Muffin, come here. Come here. Hey, where are you going? Come here. No. Now he's going and he's running like a Muffin. There he is. No, he's gone. Now he's peeing. No peeing. Muffin. Now he's going down. Now he fell down. Now he's having something. Yeah, Muffy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Shh. Let's. Come here. Come here. Baby. Come here. Muffin. Come here. He is liking this weather. Muffin, come here. Now he's sitting in the chair and he's waiting and he's looking at this Panditji who's saying, can you see this Panditji who's sweeping? And now here Beam has come to play with Muffin. And the weather is nice. Muffin! What are you here? Brr. Come here. Come here. Muffin.